zone 2. And then after this, we will have combined flexure and axial tension and combined axial tension and flexure and combined axial compression and flexure. And then after that, we will have shear, and then we will have bolted connections and welded connections next week. So I think makuha na ito ang skill mo by next week. And for the RC, napatay ulang columns and roofing. Kasi makuha na po siya next week. And then I will assign na yun dahil special week for RC. I have to think pa, din ako lang gamay yun because last time residential building yung mga story. Hindi siya taas. So for now, nakita lang ko makomplete lang yan kung si axial, compression, si shear, si flexure, na si combined axial and flexure. So kita yan. And then sa plates ninyo, yung is kaya siya bridge na. Anyway, let's continue. So we have the same section as yesterday, but for recap na lang po siguro, we will try to solve again the compact na siya for the test for compactness. So we now have a specified unbraced length of 2.7. So it says here unbraced length na yun. So this will be your LB automatic. So nanibali sa LB, so we have to initially na yung asa ba siya, no? If it belongs to zone 1 or zone 2 or presumably no zone 3. Yesterday wala kang toy LB, wala siya. It was specified in the problem, no? But basically, the LB of that problem is 0. So it's automatic na pag zone 1 na siya. Because it qualifies the conditions na dapat less than siya sa inyong LP. So, automatic na siya. So that's why it equals to 1. But for today, we're going to determine the design flexural strength of this section if the unbraced length is 2.7. So design na ni, so this is automatic LRUP design man. And then for now, we will use CB equals to 1, although na ang equation na separately to determine the exact value of that. But for now, for this example, since we don't have a given figure, wala may loading, we can assume or consider to use our CB as 1. It will not be 1 if given na rin ang inyong beam. Some more loading yan. Say it's supported. You can actually trace naman the moment diagram for that. No? So to compute for that CB, you are going to investigate the values every third, every fourth. And then an equation as well in which you're going to multiply or add and then divide so that you can get a ratio. The value should be less than 1. Okay? So not to say that, but that's for the next example na lang. Okay, so for W51/44, let's try to my first big one. I think we had that yesterday. Makita naman ilan ito.
KG sir, 8,390.
8,390 square millimeter.
B sir, 526.
526 millimeter. And then what's next BF?
165.
165 millimeter.
KW.
Sa web muna.
Okay, that's okay,
Ah,
that's
yes.
24.1.
4.1. And then that's
More, more,
ito again, manang may hapon na let's just pick up na lang. So, just speed through this test for practice. And we have for the lunch, we have ito,
E over 2.
F over 2
Yeah.
and then that is equals to what's that? 165 over 2 times 4 equals
7.24.
7.24. Yeah. We're going to compare that with 0.38.
Yes, sir.
0.38 square root of 200,000 divided by still now that's 3.5 so far so
9.15.
9.15 so this way this is compact okay and then for the web napapayusa nito so we're going to write that straight si pare na to 1
So,
1 over and then for the web we have that 2 d minus 2 d this divided by thickness of your web. We have 526 minus 2 times 24.1 divided by 8.89
53.75.
3.75 and then this one is 3.71
3.70. 76.
76 okay 100,000 divided by 5
90.53. 5.70.
But you have to pala yung to include this sa quiz in your exam. Maski pag it's very obvious na that the section is compact, I still want to write the third test for the upper limit for slenderness or not compact. Okay. We have an unbreaks length now, which is 2.7. So, we do not know asa nakita ni si LV karon it's less than LV ba or greater than LV 12R na condition. Okay. So, we have to test. We have to check kung asa ni kung kinsa na si LR. So we have NB, which is 2, or we will be dealing with millimeters in a while, so after the second, they write that as meters. Then we have our NB, which is
1.76.
1.76
RY. Square root of
Ito to R,
RY.
RY. Ito? Wait. Anara?
Yes.
Napala
Tapos,
yung
E square root of E over F1.
Square root of
E over F1.
E over Fy. Tapos,
Plus
awan.
Mas
Oh, no. When you use the container, so you compute. I will need you to compute for the radius of variation. What's IY? For the volume 1 by 44.
8.62, sir.
8.62.
Times 10 to the power of 6.
So RY is equals to okay, I 8.62 times 10 to the 6.
Sarap na.
And then 4 over 8, 890 squared. That
32.050.
32.05. Okay. Finish? 05?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is it? I guess we're over here. We have 1.76 times 32.05 times the square root of 200,000 over 345 also. Unit should be in millimeters.
One, three, five.
1,358.20.
1,003.
58.15.
0.15 meters. Less than or greater than?
Less than.
Less than. Kung less than siya, it should be zone 2. Pero you're not sure yet no, kung zone 2 ba yun siya. So that's why you have to test also for zone 3 to make sure na zone 2 yun siya. So in that case, you're going to test also for LR. Ini ang dito taas. As kayo, huwag mo yung choice. Sama na siya. So equation na ba? We have
1.9.
1.95
Hindi ka nag-birthday.
1.95
Hindi matulog. Tulog-tulog sa klase.
Ayan. 1 time na